Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the new and improved version of ChatGPT, which is GPT 4. This version of ChatGPT is available through Microsoft's search engine Bing. So without wasting your time, let's start. The very first step is to open any web browser on your device and then go to bing.com. And make sure that you are logged in with your email address. This is what Bing's search engine looks like, and you should see a little chat button at the top, so click in. And then this window will open up that will inform you that you can join the waitlist in order to access the new ChatGPT. So click on the blue Join the Waitlist button right here. Now you have been added to the waitlist. So you will have to wait a couple of days or weeks in order to access the new version of the chat. But you can do a couple of things to access it faster. Click on the button that says Access the new Bing faster, and then they will redirect you to this page right here. You will be asked to set Microsoft Bing Search as your default search engine by installing a browser extension from Microsoft. And the next step that you can do is to scan the QR code on the screen in order to download the latest Microsoft Bing application on your device, which is a new and improved version of the original search engine, now with chat. So just wait a couple of days or weeks and you will be notified via email on when and how you can access the new version of ChatGPT. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching.